Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channels Engineer Prince Kumar. Today is my topics linear search. Write a program to linear search and search the particular element in this array. That's it. So today I am going to deliver this all these are the things in front of you and for the live. So today I am going to discuss about what is linear search, what is binary search, and again I am continue all the sorting. So in this video I am going to discuss about what is linear search and how to program and how to write the linear search programs in Java language. Simply class linear search, linear search, linear search. Now you have to import. I don't require, again I required, then after I will write. Okay, again let's continue. You have to create one array like that, int arr equal to this type of the array you have to create 20, 30, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Whatever you want, you can go and create. That the separate. Now we are going to take some input with the users and search this value in this particular array are they available or not. That's it, your programs. If in this array your searching value is available, then after display the positions of this particular element in this array. Okay, now let's continue. System dot out dot println, enter the search value. Okay, you have to enter the search value. If you are enter the search value, then after you have to store search equal to sc dot next. Why? Because you have to take with the users, then after you have to make one scanner class, scanner, scanner sc equal to new. Whenever you want to take input with the users, then you have to go for the scanners. Okay, and scanners are the available in this package. You have to import java dot util dot scanner. That's it. Now your code will be going to perfectly. Now you are taking this value and also store in this value in this search variables, and you are already created this value. Now I am going to discuss how to find these search value, the user value are the available in this array, yes or no. So you have to take one integers, int I equal to 0, you initialize or not, whatever you can go. Then after you have to take one for loop. For loop, why? Because you have to traverse the array. You can take any kinds of the loop, but for loop is the very better because you know how many I have to traverse. Okay, so I equal to 0, I less than equal to arr dot length. Okay, semicolon I plus plus I plus plus. Then after you have to write some if conditions. Why? Because you have to filters these ARR of I index number 0 equal to search value. Your search value are they available or not? If it is available, then print system.out.println. That's it. Number is at position. You have to write the positions. Position is I plus 1. That's it. I is 0 and you have to write the position first. Okay. Now semicolon and you have to take if your break. If your element is found, then after have to break. I know in this examples having a unique value. Okay. Next you have to go outside and take if I equal to ARR dot length. If value is not available, if the value is not available, then after you go for the outside and simply I equal to I is already having a how many 10 here 9 I is 8. I think I is 8. Then after you have to find area dot length is also 9. Okay, how many are available and also increase the 9 and 9 equal to 9. Then after print the value number is not found in this simply message we have to display. Now I am going to test these are the working proper or not. Then after you have to save. What is the name? Linear search dot java, but I don't save in these files. I have to go also save in this file linear search dot java. Now I am going to compile successfully, run. You have to write you have to enter some value as like a 40. The position of the 14 is not display. Why? Because I think some problems are the occurred, that's why he is not search SCARCH next INT 40 is available. Yeah, 40 is available already. Number is at positions and break. Then after break you have to write here some conditions. You have to write because in this sites having a block and your block is going on 10, number is found 0 1, positions. हेलो, ठीक है, बारिश हो रहा है, कैसे आए? हाँ, रुको देखते हैं बारिश छूटा कि नहीं। नहीं छूटा अभी। हाँ बारिश तो नहीं रहा है। छाता नहीं चला है इसमें। कितना बारिश की छाता है कैसा है? हाँ? प्रिंस कहाँ है? बताओ तो। अब बोल ना। प्रिंस कहाँ है? हेलो। हाँ हेलो। प्रिंस को याद दीजिए ना। कहाँ पे है वो? कहाँ पे है? तो बोलिए ना उसको। तो उसी को बोलिए।